as much as we want to validate everyone, siyempre, nag-prepare yung benefit plans, and of course, we will...
Cute ni Baby Buja! Ang cute ni Bunso!
Gusto namin magpasalamat sa inyo for coming this night, and we'll make sure that your night is going to be worth it, and this will be a second day for everyone of us. So, reminder guys, no pushing, there's loving, hugging each other.
Austin!
Don't hurt others.
Josh!
Yeah.
Josh!
Guys, so this will be our last song for the soundcheck. Please stick with us if you know the song, but I'm sure you guys know the song. So this is SLFT!